Well, the day today began with quiet consolidation and was very quiet, calm across the broader markets as well. You did have our markets as well start off very quiet, so we just lingered around a very flattish move of 16,550 plus thereabouts, and then came the push in the dying minutes of trade, wherein we managed a record finish for ourselves, and we managed to close above the 16,600 print in the Nifty Futures for the first time ever, a gain of about 42 odd points coming in, an uptick of 0.3% move. So yes, while it is a record finish, in terms of a percentage move, it may not look optically all that big. Similar was the state for the broader end of the market as well. While we started off underperforming and we did have the breadth of the market in the week. Last our push really coming in from IT as well as FMCG names. That managed a comfortable close for ourselves. Still not in the green, still not out of the woods, but yes, we at least matched up and closed in neck and neck in favor of the advance to the decline. So 82 stocks standing to the greens within the FNO universe and 83 to the down. So an even Steven market breadth is what we shut shop the day with. It was quite an interesting texture of trading today. While you had IT on one hand, along with FMCG doing the gaining and the heavy lifting, on the flip side, you had weakness coming in from metals as well as the private banking names. So let's start with the gainers list first. It was really IT all the way, be it HCL Technologies, a TechM, a Wipro, Infosys, TCS, from the large cap IT universe, or for that matter mid caps like an LT Infotech, LT Technologies, Emphasis, Coforge, what have you. Pick up any and every stock from within the IT pack, and that was really holding out very, very smartly today. As was the case with the larger FMCG and consumption basket too. So while Tata Consumer was the biggest gainer on the Nifty today with a near about 4% uptick coming in, you also had Nestle participate in the rally. Unilever as well did its bit. And then of course you had other plays like a Jubilant Foodworks which also held out by nearly about 4%. You had a Bata India as well do very well. So these were a couple of stocks which were really holding out a buzz. Now to the losing side, and that's where the metals picture really came in. Hindustan Zinc deferred its board meeting. That rubbed off on Vedanta. That stock lost nearly about 10% of the lows of the day, and finally closed in actually even lower, almost about 12% lower. That said, the metals pack as such was also weak. So you had the likes of a Tata Steel, SAIL, etc. as well take a bit of a step back after what's really been a one-way move up and a one-way rally that metals have seen of late. Also, you didn't see much participation coming in from the private banking, or for that matter, the larger financial universe. While Canara Bank was a loser to the tune of about 4%, as were some of the bigger boys like an Hindustan Bank, which was a laggard today. You had an ICICI Bank also which shut shop in the red. As well, there was no participation coming in SBI. That too was a loser in today's trading session.